morning children. Welcome to the math class. In our previous session, you learned the numbers 1 to 10, identification of numbers and counting of numbers, number names and number line, forward counting, backward counting, before, after, between numbers. All those topics you learned in your previous session. And now I will ask a few questions children. What is the smallest one digit number? Yes, 1 is the smallest one digit number. And what is the greatest one digit number? Yes, 9 is the greatest one digit number. Now I am going to show you something. What are these children? Yes, pencils. Let us count how many pencils are there in this. So see children here. So here 10 pencils are there. How many are there? 10 pencils are there. So how these 10 pencils arranged in this box? So in this packet, these 10 pencils are arranged. So 10 pencils as a set. So 10 pencils, how many packets? Only one. One box of pencil. So here 110 equals to 10 ones. And see children here, some glitter sheets are there. Some glitter sheets are there. How many sheets are there in this? No need to count. Here they mentioned. See children here. How many glitter sheets are there? 10 pieces. How many pieces are there? 10 pieces are there. So 10 pieces in one packet. So 10 ones equals to 110. So here see children. Today we are going to learn more about numbers 11 to 20. So 11 to 20. So here what is this children? A bunch of grapes. What is this? A bunch of grapes. How many grapes are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in a bunch of grapes, how many are there? So 10 are there. 10 grapes are there. So here 10 ones equals to 110. 10 ones equal to 110. So here the smallest two digit number is 10. The smallest two digit number is 1010. And let us see here. Here 10 grapes are there. And now I want to add one more. See here. Now how many tens are there here? 110. How many tens are there? 110. And how many ones are there here? 1 ones. Total how many grapes are there here? 11. See here 2 digit number you got. 1, 1, 11. And what is the spelling of 11 children? See. E L E V E N 11. So 110 1 equals to 11. That is 11 spelling. And the next one. Now I am adding one more grape here. So now how many it became children? 110. And how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. So 10 plus 2, 12. So what is the spelling of 12 children? T W E L V E 12. And now one more I am adding children here. One more. So here 10, 110 is it and 3 ones is it. So 110, 3 ones. So total 13. 1, 3, 13. What is the spelling of 13 children? T H I R T E E N 13. Now one more. So here how many ones are there? 4 ones are there. So 110, 4 ones. So 110, 4 ones. It becomes 14. 10 and 4 more. So 14. What is the spelling of 14, children? First you should write 4 spelling. F-O-U-R 4. T-E-E-N teen. 14. Now, see children, how many ones are there now? 5 ones are there. 110, 5 ones. So 110 and 5 ones. So it becomes 15. What is the spelling of 15, children? It's not 15, children. It's 15. Fifth. F-I-F. Fifth. Teen. T-E-E-N. Teen. 15. You should not read it as 15. It's 15. Now, one more. So now, how many are there, children, here? How many ones are there? 6 ones are there. How many tens are there? 110 and 6 ones. It becomes 16. What is the spelling of 16? So first you should write 6 spelling. S-I-X 6. Teen. T-E-E-N. Teen. 16. Now one more I am keeping here. Now tell me, children, how many ones are there here? 7 ones are there. And how many tens are there? 110. So 110. And how many ones? 7 ones. So it becomes 17. And what is the spelling of 17? First you should write 7. Then teen. S-E-V-E-N. 7. T-E-E-N. 17. And now one more. So now here how many tens are there? 110 and 8 ones. So here write down 110, 8 ones. So it becomes 18 number. And what is the spelling of 18, children? First you should write 8 spelling. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. So you should not write 2 T's, children. Only 1 T will come. Okay. What is the spelling of 18? E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. And now one more I am keeping here. Now see, children, how many tens are there here? 110. And how many ones are there here? 9 ones. So 19. 19 number came. And what is the spelling of 19? N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. What is the spelling of 19? N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Now, one more I am keeping here. See, children. Now, 110. And here how many ones are there? 10 ones are there. So here 10 ones are there. So 10 ones means what I told, 10 ones means that is 110. So it will become as 110. So 110 and another 110. See, children, here 110 and another 110. It became 2 tens. 2 tens. What is the 2 tens? 10 and 20. 2 tens means that is 20. What is the spelling of 20, children? So write here 20. And what is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. So here 2 tens came. So 2 tens means that is 20. 3 tens means 30. 4 tens means 40. 5 tens means 50. So like that all tens will come, children. So remember that 10 ones equals to 110. Okay, children? Children, now we are going to learn about numbers 21 to 30. See, children, here a bunch of chalk pieces. So how many are there in this? 10 chalk pieces are there. So 10 chalk pieces I made into a bunch. So how many are there in this? 10 chalk pieces are there and one bunch. So 10 ones equals to 110. So here 110. And now, just now I told you, grapes, just now I told you na 10 bunches of grapes are there, I told na. So there we formed 2 bunches. So 20 grapes are there. So now here see, children, how many chalk pieces are there in this? Here also 10. So 10 ones equals to 110. Now how many 20 are there, children? How many are there? 1, 2. So 2 tens, 20. So here how many tens are there, children? 2 tens. Now I am keeping 1 here. So now which number you got? 21. That means 2 tens, 1 1. So 21. What is the spelling of 21, children? First you should write 20 spelling, then 1. So TWENTY 20. Put a small hyphen and ONE 21. And next I am keeping one more. So now which number you got, children, here? 2 tens. So write here 2 tens. And how many ones are there here? 2 ones are there. So which number you got? 22. 22. So what is the spelling of 22? First write TWENTY 20. TWO2 22. Now I am keeping one more. Now tell me, children. So how many tens? 2 tens. How many ones? 3 ones. So which number you got? 23. So what is the spelling of 23? TWENTY 20. THREE 3. And next one more I am keeping. One more I am keeping. And how many tens? 2 tens, 4 ones. So what is the number you got? 24. So what is the spelling of 24? TWENTY 20. FOUR 24. Now one more. Now how many ones you got, children, here? 5 ones. And how many tens? 2 tens, 5 ones. That is 25. So what is the spelling of 25, children? TWENTY 20. FIVE 5. And now one more I am keeping here. So now tell me, children. 2 tens, 6 ones. So which number you got? 26. So what is the spelling of 26? TWENTY 20. SIX 6. And now one more I am keeping here. So now tell me, children. 2 tens. How many ones? 7 ones. So which number you will get? 27. What is the spelling of 27? TWENTY 20. SEVEN 7. 27. And now one more. So here 2 tens, 8 ones. 8 ones. So which number you will get? 28. What is the spelling of 28? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 28. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 28. And next one more I am keeping, children, here. Now which number you got? 2 tens, 9 ones. See, tens all are looking like bundle, and here all ones are looking separate. So 29. What is the spelling of 29, children? First write number, then spelling. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 29. N-I-N-E 9. 29. And one more I am keeping here. So here 2 tens and here 10 ones are there. 10 ones means what, children? Before that we learned 1 10 equals to 10 ones. So here all these ones will become again 1 10. So total how many are there? Here 2 tens are there and here separate ones are there. Now all together here 3 tens. So this is 1 10, another 10, and here all ones become as another 10. So total how many tens? 3 tens. Just before I wrote separate only 1 10 and 10 ones. That time I wrote. But now you understood now how ones and tens will form. So 3 tens. And how many ones are there? No, because all these 10 ones it became as 110. So here 0 ones. So which number you got? 30. What is the spelling of 30, children? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. It's not 3T. It's 30. Okay, children. Just now we completed 21 to 30 numbers and how it will form. And now see, children, numbers 31 to 40. We'll see how 31 to 40, how the numbers will form. See, children, here. How many bundles are there, children, here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 bundles means in each bundle 10 chalks are there. So 3 bundles na 10 plus 10 20 plus 10 30. And here all single chalks are there. So all these are ones. Okay. Now first see how many tens? 3 tens, and take only first one as count. 31. So what is the spelling of 31, children? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. Put an hyphen. O-N-E-1. 31. And now see, children, again 3 tens and take second one. See, 1 2 ones. So 32. What is the spelling of 32, children? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. T-W-O-2. 32. And next 3 tens and 1 2 3. So 33. What is the spelling of 33? T-H-I-R-T-Y. 30. Put an hyphen. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 33. And next which number will come? 3 tens, 4 ones. That is 34. What is the spelling of 34? THIRTY 30. FOUR 4. And next one 3 tens and 4 after 5. So 35. Here all ones are separate children. So what is the spelling of 35? THIRTY 30. FIVE 5. 35. Next 3 tens, 6 ones. That is 36. What is the spelling of 36? THIRTY 30 SIX 6. 36. And the next one 3 tens, 7 ones. That is 37. What is the spelling of 37? THIRTY 30 SEVEN 7. 37. Next 3 tens, 8 ones. That is 38. What is the spelling of 38? THIRTY 30 EIGHT 8. 38. And the next one 3 tens, 9 ones. That is 39. So what is the spelling of 39? THIRTY 30 NINE 9. 39. And the next one, see children here, 3 tens are there and here 10 ones became another bundle. So this is 110. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 tens and 0 ones. That is 40. What is the spelling of 40 children? FORTY. Just remember that it's not FOURTY. It's not 40. It's 40. FORTY 40. Okay children. Now numbers 41 to 50. Just now we completed the numbers up to 40 children. What is the spelling of 40? FORTY 40. Now 41 to 50 children. See, once see children here, how many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bundles are there. 4 bundles make each bundle as 10. So it's a set of 10 ones. So 4 bundles means that is 40. And here all the ones are like separate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. Separate are there. So these are tens and these are ones. Now let us see children. Here how many tens are there? 4 tens and take first one. 1. So which number you got children here? 41. And what is the spelling of 41 children? Just now I told you 40 means it's not FOURTY, it's FORTY. So FORTY 41. ONE 41. And see the next one children. 4 tens, 2 ones, 1, 2. 2 ones. So which number you got? 42. So what is the spelling of 42 children? FORTY 40 TWO 42. Next one 4 tens, 2 after 3. 3 ones 43. What is the spelling of 43? Read along with me. FORTY 40 THREE 3. 43. And next one, 4 tens, 4 ones. That is 44. What is the spelling of 44? First write 40 spelling. Then put an hyphen and then write 4 spelling. All of you know the 4 spelling. Okay, now 4 tens, 5 ones. That is 45. What is the spelling of 45? First write 40 spelling. Then put an hyphen, write 5 spelling. 45. F-O-R-T-Y. 40. F-I-V-E. 5. 45. And next 4 tens, 5 after 6. 6 ones. That is 46. What is the spelling of 46? F-O-R-T-Y. 40. S-I-X 6. 46. 4 tens, 7 ones. That is 47. What is the spelling of 47? F-O-R-T-Y. 40. S-E-V-E-N 7. 47. And next 4 tens up to 8. 8 ones. That is 48. And what is the spelling of 48? Write first F-O-R-T-Y 40. E-I-G-H-T 8. 48. And the next one, 4 tens, 9 ones. That is 49. And what is the spelling of 49, children? F-O-R-T-Y 40. Put an hyphen and N-I-N-E 9. 49. And next, how many tens are there here? 4 tens are there. And here 9 ones after. If we add one more ones to this, 10 ones it will become. 10 ones means that is equal to 110. So here all these will become 110. So total how many tens are there here? 5 tens are there. So 5 tens, 0 ones. That will become 50 50. What is that? 50 50. It's not 50 children. 40 came now. So it's not 50. It's 50. What is the spelling of 50? F-I-F-T-Y. 50. It's not 50. It's 50. Now up to 50 numbers you learn now children. So numbers 11 to 50 in today's class you learn. Now I will ask you some questions. Identify what is this number. Yes, it's 34. 4 is in 1's place and 3 is in 10's place. So 3 tens, 4 ones. That is 34. What is the spelling of 34? T-H-I-R-T-Y 30. F-O-U-R 4. 34. What is the after number of 34? 35. What is the before number of 34? 33. Very good. Now tell me children, identify this number. Yes, it is 25. 2 tens, 5 ones. That is 25. And what is this number children? 49. 4 tens, 9 ones. That is 49. 49 after which number will come? 50 will come. 49 before which number will come? 48 will come. What is the spelling of 49? F-O-R-T-Y 40 N-I-N-E 9. 49. And now identify this number. What is this number children? 1, 2, 12. 1, 10, 2 ones. That is 12. What is the spelling of 12? T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. 12 after which number will come? 13. 12 before which number will come? 11 will come. Okay children, you have to identify the numbers like this and you should write number name, before number, after number, between numbers, whatever it may be. Okay children, we'll meet in the next session.